Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add or delete your autofill address, passwords or payment methods on Google Chrome browser in your Windows PC. So for this guys, here in the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just click on it. From here you need to open these settings. Okay, in these settings in the left panel you can get the option autofill. Just click on it and here you can get the option password, payment methods and address. As you can see, if you want to add or remove the autofill password, just you need to extend the autofill password. Here in my case, so there is no save password in my autofill section. As you can see, if you want to add, just click on add button. From here you need to add the username password on your browser. As you can see, after this guys, just click on save. And in case if you want to remove, here you can get the option to remove. You can easily able to remove that autofill password. Okay, same thing if you want to add the payment method, just select the payment methods and here you can get the option add. Just click on it. From here you can easily add your payment methods on your Google Chrome browser, as you can see. And same thing guys, if you want to remove, here you can get the option to remove. Now last, if you want to add address, autofill, just click on address and more. So same, there is no save address in my autofill. As you can see, if you want to add, just click on it. Just enter your address details here. After this guys, just click on save. That's it. Same thing if you want to remove, just click on three dots and here you can get the option remove. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to add or remove autofill on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.